Are you curious how tax cuts could boost your property investment? Let's unveil the secrets to expanding your portfolio with the newest market insights. Welcome back, investors and market watchers. Rasti here, your expert eye on the ever-evolving Aussie property landscape. This week, I'm bringing you the latest market insights and investment opportunities, perfect for those looking to make their mark in the property world as of 8th of March 2024. So let's kick things off with some brilliant news for your wallets. The Stage 3 tax cuts are here, and they are a game changer, especially if you have been eyeing the property market. Imagine this. Thanks to these cuts and a drop in interest rates, it's like the stars aligning for investors. Rate City reckons your borrowing capacity could jump up by 4% to 5%. And with folks like Matthew Taylor from LG Hooker noticing a spike in investor activity, it's clear we're onto something exciting. Whether you are earning a bit or a lot, these tax cuts mean everyone's going to get a bit more to spend. And in the property game, that's always a good news. So how much tax cuts are we referring to here in Stage 3, Rasti, you may ask? Well, people who are on $100,000 a year income will receive a tax cut of $2,179 a year, and those on $190,000 and above will receive a cut of $4,529, and those on $70,000 income will receive a tax cut of $1,429. Moving on, ever thought you'd see the day when it's cheaper to buy than rent? Well, that day is here in some parts of Australia. PropTrack has done the maths, and there are heaps of spots where buying is the smarter move. Whether you're in Sydney, Melbourne, Brisbane, or even further out, there has never been a better time to think about getting your own place. Now, for a bit of crystal ball gazing. The experts reckon Aussie property prices are set to rise by 5% a year for the next couple of years. Despite everything the market has thrown at us, it looks like there's still plenty of steam left, thanks to those tax and rate cuts. Plus, a growing population and a bit of a backlog in building. It's all systems going for the property value hike. Here is something a bit different. With more Aussies living longer, there's a big push for more retirement homes. The Retirement Living Council is on the case, looking to add thousands of new homes to meet the demand. It's not just about numbers. It's about making sure our senior citizens have great places to live. And for the first home buyers out there, don't think I've forgotten you. There are still plenty of spots where your dream of owning a home is within reach. From the outskirts of Melbourne to the heart of Perth, there are options plenty for getting on the property ladder without breaking the bank. And that's a wrap on this week's exploration of Australia's property landscape. I'm Rasti, your guide to building a legacy through smart property investments. Remember, the right insight today can lead to a wealthier tomorrow. So like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to journey with us towards your financial freedom. Until our paths cross again, keep aiming high and investing wisely. Cheers to your success.